Hi guys, so I'm going to take you into a 4-bedroom show home just so you can see how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm at a show home, so we're just looking around. So this is just a viewing, but I thought I should bring you guys along to see how the whole place looks. This is a 4-bedroom house, so if you're interested in getting a home for yourself and your family, you could just get an idea of this one. This one is in Bristol. It's called Hyde Park. And yeah, let me show you guys around. So this is the hallway. Beautiful mirror, a very big mirror right here in the hallway. I love the flooring. It does need a bit of mopping, but that's fine. So this is the door, a nice modern door. Lovely house plant here. This is the lighting. I love how modern it looks. Now this is a big view of the hallway. We've got the staircase area here, and this one leads to the kitchen. But first off, to my right is a doorway here that leads to the living room. Let's go in. Amazing. It looks beautiful. I absolutely love how dreamy this place is. Like, this is my dream living room. Like, everything here is so perfect. I love how big this gorgeous center table is. A lovely giant coffee table. We've got some vases and this tea set. This is beautiful. Let's see what's in here. Empty. I thought as much. Big prints. I like this TV stand here. This is a lovely table. I wish they could sell a show home with all of the decorations. That would be amazing. And of course, an extra chair right here for you to chat to a guest. And we've got the curtains here. As you can see in the background, they're still building more houses around the back over there, so this is good. To my left, the first door is a lovely office. How amazing is this office? We've got prints on the wall, a house plant again. Oh, I love this ladder. This is amazing. And then the wallpaper just draws you into the room. This is great. A big table for you to put your computer, printer, and whatnot here. This is a nice drawer. This study or office it's Instagram ready. You also have a chair for your guests, or if you want to just sit down and read a book or something. And this lovely background. This is beautiful. And let's have a look at the lighting. This is a lovely lighting up here as well. So under the stairs, we've got the toilet. So this is the guest toilet. We've got a lovely towel there ready. Mirror, print, the toilet right there. So this door, let's see what's in this door. So this is just like an extra storage. You can dump all the kids' shoes in here. I like that this is a nice hideout for you to keep coats. You could put like a hang in here, so you can hang coats here or store something in here. Really, there's sockets here, so if you have something to put in here that needs plugging, you can do that. Say hi to the family. My hubs is here having a look, and we've got Nina and Milan. Okay, so this is the kitchen area, and again we've got a lovely meeting area here. So this is like a lounge for you to entertain some guests. This would be nice for me to entertain my friends somewhere here. Love the flooring. again, a coffee table, nice cute seats here, another table, a side table over there, which leads to the garden. You can have a look at the garden with your friends. And let's see what's in the garden. Oh, it's not open. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a peek into the garden. It's a nice, lovely space. You can plant some things over here. Is it fake grass? No, I'm not sure if it's fake grass, but over there you can put like some garden seeds at the back. A lovely area for you to plant, you know, anything really. It's a lovely space. I like the size of the garden. Yeah, it's gonna be easy to mow, so I like a nice small space that I can easily mow, and a space that functions nicely. So over here we've got the dining table, just, you know, at the center of this space. We've got a dining table, and we've got this lovely backdrop as well. Gorgeous, you know, things here, gorgeous decorations. And oh, I love this, you know, calabash looking vase. So we've got candles on here, gorgeous pampas grass. Oh, this is beautiful backdrop. I love this. This is amazing. This is the kitchen area. Let me show you a view of the kitchen. Looks amazing, doesn't it? It looks so good. So it's a nice, spacious kitchen. Lots of cupboards. You can pop as many items as you like in this kitchen. Let's have a sneak peek into the cupboards. We've got this one. Oh, we've got a dishwasher. This is under the sink storage for all your cleaning products. Nice tap here. Does it work? No. It's a nice tap, you know, and the sink is spacious as well. You can do your washing here. A nice window for you to see what's at the back in your back garden. Some more decorations here. Nice storage in there. Also have this little one for your wines, I guess, your wines, bottles. More storage here. Okay, so this is like your coffee station for you to make your coffee. More storage here. Don't put all your tea items here. This one will be brilliant for your spices. Absolutely love this. So yeah, this is the cooking hub. We've got 5 burners and this hub right here. So this is good. Let's see what's here. More storage here, and the doors automatically close by themselves. Got more storage. And then, so in the kitchen, you've got a lot of storage. I just wanted to show you all, you know, how much you've got in here. So this, of course, is the oven, and you can do all of your baking. So this is the fridge, a nice, you know, built-in fridge. And this is the freezer. So this is lovely. Now this is the laundry area. Spacious laundry. You've got your wash and your dryer, and you have this lovely space here for you to put all of your cleaning products in there. A table for you to sort out your washing. This is the boiler. Lovely lighting, house plant, window right here. So yes, this is lovely. So let me take you guys upstairs. When you climb up, the first thing you would see is the toilet. So this is a spacious toilet. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Spacious toilet. Love the decoration in this home. A big bath for you to take care of yourself, really. A lovely mirror here for some pampering. And of course, you can close yourself in. And then this lovely dryer here. So the next room,
it's Milan's room.
We can see the first room. Oh, Milan has taken this room, yeah? Okay, so this is the first room. Lovely drawers here. And a big double bed right here. Milan is hiding.
Yes, this is my hiding locker.
He's hiding in the wardrobe. So this is a lovely, lovely, spacious wardrobe. Lovely decoration on the wall.
Here.
Yes, I like the, the back frame of the bed.
Rhino teddy.
Lovely rhino teddy. So this is beautiful. I love this. I love this fabric. So nice. Okay. So again, this is the bathroom. Oh, this is a nice ensuite, bathroom, bedroom. It's actually a shower. So this is good. I think this is gonna be the parents' room because it's got a built-in bathroom.
It's a small boyish though.
It don't matter at all. So this is gorgeous.
Now let's go and see.
Let's see this room.
This is
Okay, so first off, what's in the store? Okay, giant boiler right here, as you can see.
This is Daddy's room. This is Daddy's room.
Okay. Oh, so this is another bedroom. This is another spacious bedroom. We've got prints on the wall. This could be like a guest bedroom even. It's nice and roomy. I love how it gives hints to a traveler. So this is like a guest room because we've got binoculars. Someone who's adventurous could use that. Nice decorations, even a shirt right there.
An animal ABC book.
Yeah, so this could be a boy's room as well. Nice drawer. Actually, this could be potentially Milan's room if we were taking
Let me show you where my room is.
Okay, so let's have a look.
This is my room.
So Nina thinks this is her room, but this is a beautiful, beautiful room, and it's pretty girly anyway. Nice mirror on the wall. I mean, I wish we were gonna take this home. This could definitely be your room. Yes, and you can study here. Yeah. Oh, this is amazing.
When I'm doing my homework, I can just study.
Yeah. Lovely lighting and your makeup as well. All of your little bits and bobs could go on there.
Actually, you take the makeup.
Yeah. Okay. And a lovely double bed as well for you. Wardrobe. Oh, this is amazing. It's got wardrobes. Let's open it.
Wow, it's very spacious in here.
And let's move to the next room. So the final room is this one.
That's your room.
Wow, this is spacious, really spacious. Amazing. This is beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous, darling. I think this is the master bedroom because this is the widest room in this house. Again, we've got lovely space here. Ooh, they've already hinted that this is a mom's room or a woman's room. Of course, this suits me nicely. I love this. This space is just me. It has my name written on it. Of course, a lovely dressing area here. I like this basket stool, that kind of basket stool, And of course, we've got some cotton wool here. Chanel No. 5 perfume, just the way I like it. And then we've got a gorgeous print here. You know me, I love my animal prints. It's a gorgeous animal print here. And again, the room is warm. The whole of this house is warm. Wow. And finally, we've got a shower. So this is a nice shower for moms. I can just come here, have myself a shower, look good, dress up here. It looks amazing. So by the window, we've got some dressing, some body cream, body lotion, hand wash, everything here. This is beautiful. I absolutely love it. It looks amazing. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour of this beautiful show home in Bristol. Maybe I would leave the details of this home in the link below so you can have a better view of the place. It's amazing, guys. If you want to buy your first home, you can have a look and check it out and get it if you like it. I absolutely love it, so I've got to save. I've got to save for it, but yeah, it's something that we're working on. This home alone has 3 bathrooms, so that is good. It's a good size bedroom as well, good size wardrobe, and it's stunning. I wish they could sell this place with all of the decoration inside. It would be amazing, wouldn't it? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this space. Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Do you want it? Let me just know down below, and also please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can get instant notifications when I share a new video. So I hope to see you in the next one.